I think we can all agree that calibration is key to performance and safety, so let's move on to how to calibrate your measurement equipment in order to secure the best quality in your production. The most professional and leading calibration providers today are ISO 17025 accredited. So why should I choose an accredited calibration of my measurement equipment from an ISO 17025 accredited provider? Well, the short answer is that an accredited provider is globally recognized by ILAC and in line with national accreditation. But there's more. In an ISO 17025 accredited lab, the technicians are well trained and qualified, and they use quality assurance system. Correct traceability of references to the national standard is crucial, and the calibration process is documented with next due date. Other key reasons are measurement uncertainty and environmental requirements. Internal and external audits are also important to an accredited provider. So, let's summarize why calibration done by an accredited provider gives you the best protection and quality. These providers have a high level of technical competence and are controlled by national accreditation bodies to ensure accurate calibration results. ISO 17025 also requires a quality assurance system that includes continuous improvement. IATF stands for International Automotive Task Force, and it requires all calibrations by IATF affiliate companies to be performed by ISO 17025 accredited providers only. There is a clear trend in the industry to only contract ISO 17025 accredited providers. We repair and adjust measurement equipment as needed. Secure the measured data for at least 10 years. Competence transfer to your organization. Support in pre-audits. Again, we all want to have the best quality, right?